Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Magic Duster. If you have not subscribed the channel, kindly subscribe the channel, share the video and give your valuable comments in the box. In this video, you are going to learn about temperature. But before that, we are going to see what Sonu is doing. This is Sonu. Sonu is talking to her grandmother over the phone. Let us hear the conversation. Hi grandma, I will reach Mussoorie by tomorrow afternoon. The grandmother replied, I'm waiting for you dear. Do keep some woolens with yourself. Woolens? The temperature here in Delhi is 35 degrees Celsius grandma. But the temperature in Mussoorie is only 16 degrees Celsius. It's cold here. So after this conversation, Sonu get confused because in Delhi there is only 35 degrees Celsius, which is far more hot. And for Mussoorie, it's cold. So she confused. Further, the grandmother explains what is temperature. In India, we have different types of climates all over the direction, as well as the people. So that only the Delhi and the Mussoorie's climate were differ. Now the grandmother explains what is temperature to her granddaughter. Let us also hear what the grandmother says. What is temperature? Temperature is the measure of heat of an object or a body, and temperature is measured with a thermometer. The word thermo means warm and meter means measure. So thermometer is a glass tube with a bulb filled with a silvery liquid which is called mercury. A thermometer has a scale to measure the temperature. As the temperature increases, the level of the liquid in the thermometer rises, which indicates a marking on the scale. And we can measure the temperature in two scales. The first one, Celsius scale. The unit of the measurement of the scale is degree Celsius, and we can written this as degree C. In India, the Celsius scale is most commonly used. The scale is divided into 100 equal parts. Each part represents 1 degree Celsius. According to the scale, the boiling point of the water is 100 degrees Celsius and the freezing point of the water is 0 degrees Celsius. Even to check the fever and for the climate, we are using the Celsius in our country. Then the second scale to find out the temperature, that is Fahrenheit scale. The unit of the measurement of the scale is degree Fahrenheit, and we can written this degree F. This scale is mostly used in the countries like USA and UK. The scale is divided into 180 equal parts. Each part represents 1 Fahrenheit. According to the scale, the boiling point of the water is 212 degree Fahrenheit and the freezing point of the water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. The granddaughter reaches his grandmother's place in Mussoorie. Because of the change in the weather, she fell sick. Grandma, my body is very warm. Oh, you may be suffering from fever. Let me check your body temperature using a clinical thermometer. What is a clinical thermometer? A clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the human body. The range of the temperature in a clinical thermometer is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. So the normal temperature of a human is 37 degrees Celsius, or in Fahrenheit we can say 98.6 Fahrenheit. But nowadays digital thermometers are commonly used to measure the body temperature. If the temperature of the person's body is more than 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit, then she is said to be have fever. A different kind of thermometer is used to measure the atmosphere temperature. It has a wide range of reading and help in predicting the change in the weather condition. So below 0 degree Celsius is very cold. This is a freezing point. And 0 to 10 degree is cold. 10 to 20 also cold. In the north side of the India, in the winter season, they will feel 10 degree to 20 degree Celsius. And 20 to 25 degree Celsius is mild. Even we can feel this temperature in the night times. And 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degree is warm. The day in the morning time we can feel this temperature. And 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius is hot. In the summertime we will feel the 30 to 35 degree temperatures. Then 35 degree to 40 degree is very hot. And above 40 degree is extremely hot. Humans cannot bear the 50 degrees Celsius. So children, with Sonu, we also learned what is temperature and how it is works. Hope you helped.